Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. Now, when you open Mozilla Firefox, in my case, the default search engine has been set to Bing. In case if you want to change the default search engine from Bing to Google, you will have to click on the three lines to open the application menu and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go and click on search on the left hand side. To the right hand side, you will have to change the default search engine from Bing or any other options here. So in my case, I'm going to change it to Google because that is what the default search engine has to be in my case. Now, if you go and open a new tab, your default search engine has been set to Google. Now, when your search engine has been set to default, and in case if you want to switch the search engine, you may always go and type @ and choose the search engine, and then you can search the web using that particular search engine. So in this way, you may go ahead and change the default search engine in Mozilla Firefox. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.